Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were using your Garmin Connect app as usual, but suddenly the GPS isn't working. So your Garmin won't lock onto GPS, activities won't map. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix this GPS not working issue in Garmin Connect app. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So number one, we're gonna go and try to sync normally. First you should understand this. Your watch downloads the satellite prediction data every time you sync with Garmin Connect. So open the app, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and sync your watch. But before even doing so, make sure you are logged in into the correct account using your email address and password. Well, when syncing your watch, this gives your watch several days of orbit data, basically helping it find satellites faster when you go outside. As for step number 2, just go ahead and go outside. GPS needs a clear view of the sky. Move away from tall buildings and even dense trees. Remain stationary basically for a few minutes. Stationary travel while your watch searches. If you are inside or moving, GPS takes forever. So you can also restart if stuck. If you are totally stuck, try to do a small restart. If your watch just froze trying to start a GPS activity, hold the light button for 15 seconds until it restarts completely. Then sync again with Connect. You can also try and pull down this arrow until you have any news or any updates. So this also forces a fresh download of GPS data as well. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.